Welcome, this is Rainy Day Treasure Hunters out at Stevens Fields Park. And guess what I just dug? We're all 8 inches deep, and out comes the hole. My first buffalo. I got me a buffalo nickel here at Stevens Field. Alright, Rainy Day Treasure Hunters, welcome back. I just dug all of 8 inches deep a 1936 1936 buffalo nickel. I am stoked. Alright, let's get this hole covered up. I'm using full Old Park protocol. All right, welcome back. We're here at Stevens Field, and I just got a killer signal at 4 inches deep, and I think I see a coin in the hole. It's definitely right there. It's not this. It is awful green too. So, oh yeah, this is an old one. It is a weedy, I think. No, it's not. Shoot. But I'm taking full precautions because I just dug that buffalo coin this morning. Here at Stevens Field, looks like soccer practice is in play. But let me get that cleaned up and I'll be right back. See what date it is. All right, I sprayed it down, and upon further review, 1948D weedy penny. Haha, nice. Let's get that hole. That was all of 4 to 5 inches deep. Let's get that hole buried up and keep swinging. Here we go. The one time I didn't dig or film while digging, I got an old household spray nozzle. That is a cool find. That'll clean up nice. I'll probably put a rubber washer in and use it. Alright, I might do some sidewalk strips out here. This is an old neighborhood. Welcome back. Once again, it's about 5 inches deep. I popped a coin out, and it's another penny. Ooh, and I nicked it. Damn it, but it is a weedy. This is awesome. I'm doing the sidewalk strips right outside of this little park where I dug the buffalo nickel, and the young houses on the street are like 1930s. Alright, so let me put some quick spit juice on it. Oh man, it looks like 1928. Let me get a magnifying glass on it. I'll be right back. Okay, the oldest penny I have dug, a 1928, no mint mark, and it's in such good shape I can see it with my old eyes. Oldest penny I've dug in a long time. I hit it with the digger. Darn, but it's a keeper. Let's recheck the hole. Wow, this is an oldie. This is an old pull cap. Oops. Yeah, this is the biggest one I've ever seen. Old school pull tab. Just did that sidewalk strip. Now I'm coming over to these big old tree stumps run along this edge of the park. Might have been a front yard at one time. Well, let's keep swinging. Welcome to Rainy Day Treasure Hunters. I got a little lunchtime wrap up here. I'd like to share with you my time at Stevens Field. Lots and lots of nails. I mean, I can pull my hand into the bag and grab nails, and this is not even a third of the bag. And then just tons and tons of pull tabs, round pull tabs, and even a couple old square ones. A cool find was this fire hose, or a garden hose. It's made of brass, and I might even polish it up, put a washer back in it and use it. This was a fun find. Come on, let's take a look at my buffalo nickel. Right here we got a buffalo nickel, and what did I say it was? 1936. And then in the sidewalk strip out here, oh, my oldest penny to date that I've dug, a 1928, and I'm just crying because I nicked it. Look at that. I scratched it with the mighty digger. But it's a beautiful weedy 1928. And then I also got another weedy. This is a 1948D. So I'm pretty proud of that. That's beautiful. Hey, look at this. A 1962 Canadian penny. That's just a year younger than myself. That's a 54-year-old penny in great shape. 1968 and a 1963, I believe. We had some clad and a couple zinkers, and I got a delicious turkey sandwich and lemon lime amp for lunch. And then we'll do another hour or two and wrap it up. I am having a fantastic day here at Stevens Field. Rainy Day Treasure Hunters. Keep swinging, keep digging. Alright, welcome back. It's Rainy Day Treasure Hunters, and we are at Stevens Field here in Olympia. Okay. It's a nice high tone signal, and it's 5 inches deep, which is what we're digging today. Oh, it's in the plug, and it's about 3 inches deep. Pull tab, beaver tail. Exactly. Still got a target in the hole. Oh, got it out. Where did you go? A little teeny I don't know if you can see it, but it's a dog charm. Little teeny silver dog charm. Oh my goodness, he has a little red collar on. I'll get that under the camera later on. We'll clean that up. I almost gave up on that and couldn't find it. Little teeny speck of a silver charm. That is definitely going to go in the prize coins and charms bottle. Better check it. That was fun. All right. Should have used the placemat. All right, a little dog charm, silver. Let's keep digging. All right, I just got a high signal and I popped up a coin. I can see it right here. And I set up the camera. It's a dime, and I think it's silver. I think I got my first silver out of the park here today. Whoops, because it looks like a Rosie. And it is very silvery. Let me get a date on this. And 1952. I got a 1952 Rosie, and gosh, I think I might have rubbed it too hard. I put a little scratch on the forehead. Let me confirm that. (1952) Rosie. Has a little VS or a JS or something on it. I'm gonna have to look up what that means, but all right, got me a silver Rosie and a buffalo nickel today. I am just stoked. I got my patched up on my new vest. It's bringing me luck. Rainy day treasure hunters. Let's keep swinging, keep digging.